Baby, just mama spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright, me know you.
Hi guys, it's Kels here again, and today's video is going to be a H&M haul. So I went to H&M the other day and I got a few little bits, cute little bits. And I just wanted to share them with you guys. Follow me on Instagram because I will be posting pictures on there. It's Kelszbeautz. I'll leave a link in the description box and I'll also leave it right here so you guys can go ahead and follow me. And also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please do. For all my plus size divas and you want to see how I look in H&M stuff with my big ass body, bitch, and all these curves, continue watching, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna mention that I've got is the thing that I'm wearing right now. This really nice wool what do you call this, jumper. It's super duper soft. The only thing with this is because it's 100% wool, it is a very itchy, okay? Like, it's fucking annoying, but it's cute, so I'm gonna wear it regardless, okay? The second thing I've got is a really cute dress. It's like, I call this dress chocolate darling, okay? Like, this dress is so pretty on like deeper skin tone. Like on me, I look amazing if I do say so myself. I look really good in it. So it's this really nice chocolatey brown dress. So it just looks like this. This one retails for $34.99 and this is in a size 16. I could go with a 14 because the shoulder like droops off, but that's how you're meant to wear it, like really slouchy, just like this. But it's really comfortable. It's like a midi length, so it's like that, it's not short at all. So the next thing I've got is a really nice olive green skirt. So it's like a pleated skirt, and then on the bottom it's got like black and white detailing. In the front it's got like a little slit, sort of, you know, wrap front, but it's got like a little slit shit going on. I don't know how to explain this, but this is what it looks like. It reminds me of that Gucci skirt I saw on, what's her name, Marlo from Real Housewives. She was wearing something like this with some nice strappy heel, bitch. She looks amazing. So I was like, yes! But yeah, it's really flattering on, like, on me. It looks really good. So if you got a bit of curves, honey, this will look perfect on you. Like, I look like somebody's wife in this, okay? So this is a must buy. This one's £40. So it's not that steep. It's really affordable. So yeah, this one's £40, and what I got to match with this one is a wrap front top. So it's a top, but you can wear it as a dress. You can wear it as a top, you can wear it as a jacket, you can wear it as did I say dress? Did I say dress? Dress, jacket, and a top. Yeah, you can wear it as all of those three. So it's like this, and then it's got the long sleeve, it's got the tie around the waist, and then it's like lapping over, so you have like two buttons to clip in the front. So yeah, that is really cute. This one is in size 14. The skirt, I forgot to tell you what size that one was. The skirt was in a size 14 as well, so if you're 14 to 16, the 14 will fit you. So you can go for that. And then this one as well is a size 14. So yeah, this is really nice together, paired together. It looks like so classy and like timeless, and that with strappy heels, bitch, you're doing it, okay? Them two are bomb. So I was going so crazy for coordinate set, so I literally found the perfect ones in H&M. When I saw this, I was like, yes, I don't care how much you are coming home with me. So I found this little like turquoisey green floral one, and it's the Anna Glover times H&M collection. I don't know who Anna Glover is, but who cares? This is freaking cute. So it comes with the kimono, and these are the last two things I've got. Yeah. So this cute kimono is really long. Well, not really long, it's like a good length. And then it's got like the slits at the side. I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. The slits at the side and the tie around the waist. This one is a large and it is £50. So not bad at all. But yeah, the color is just everything. When I walked in the store and I saw it, that's the first thing that catches my eyes. Like, I was like, yes, I'm not going, I didn't even go up the stairs. Like, you know, H&M got floors for days. I didn't even go upstairs. I was just like, you are coming home with me. Let me find your trousers and let me go. So I bought this one. It is like, oh, super cute, super duper cute. So yeah, that one's £50. And then I got the matching trousers for it. This is what the trousers look like. It's just like standard trousers with like the bell leg sort of things, like wide legs. This one is in a size, let me see. This is a size 16. So this one goes up to a size 18. So if you are bigger than me, you can get it in a size 18. It starts from size 8. So yeah, and the trousers was $34.99. So not bad at all. Both of them together was like, so like, it's a good steal, I think. So that is it for my haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Haven't seen you guys for so long, and all my plus size diva, I hope you guys go out and get these stuff because it will look amazing on you. And even if you're not plus size, honey, you can rock it, okay? But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because if you don't see me on YouTube, I'm more than likely on Snapchat or on Instagram. So yeah, follow me on those, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, bye guys.